Now, your weather alert forecast.
I'm meteorologist Audra Moore. Lots of sunshine and blue sky today. Well, the skies are going to stay clear overnight as we get into the evening hours. 6 o'clock here, you can see that wind still from the south. A few clouds trying to pass through the area, just some high, thin cirrus clouds. But for most of the night, we should stay clear, and even into Saturday as well. A few clouds building back into the south central part of Nebraska, but lots of sunshine again for us tomorrow. As you're starting off your Saturday morning, though, temperatures a little bit cool. 47 here in Omaha, cooler up in Wayne and Norfolk at 42 and 44, but we're going to warm it right back up into the afternoon. 70 degrees again, some a little bit cooler, a little bit warmer though. 69 in Columbus, 71 in Norfolk and Wayne at 70. Over into Iowa, still 70 degrees in Red Oak and Atlantic as well. And for the rest of the weekend, it's going to be another gorgeous one. Saturday, 73 degrees, a little bit breezier on Sunday with high near 72. We're going to cool it off just a little bit on Monday as the next front moves through, bringing a few chances for some showers, about 30%. But Tuesday, go out and vote. It's going to be great temperature-wise, 67, and then back into the upper 60s by the middle of next week. Now, there's no chance for any severe weather in our forecast right now, but still a good idea to go ahead and download Storm Shield so you are prepared when severe weather strikes.